my friend. How are you? Now, don't be surprised. You must know by now that nature is always around.
But, Mom, you always surprise me. What are we doing in this cornfield? I thought you were going to talk about human beings and plants, not corn.
Think a minute, Bee. How did this corn get here?
Oh, you mean that this corn got here because human beings planted it?
Yes. One of the most important connections between plants and human beings is food. In the distant past, human beings, in their search for food, learned that they could cultivate certain plants and secure vital food energy from them.
Cultivate them? What do you mean, Mom?
I mean, take care of them. Human beings learned that they could help certain plants grow by planting their seeds in places where they were sure to grow, where sunlight would be plentiful.
And where there would be enough water?
Right, Bee. Enough water, but not too much. They also learned